Hello guys, how are you all? I'm Rushali and welcome to my channel once again. Today I'll be talking about a new nail art technique called as stamping. And for those who don't know anything about stamping, don't worry, I'm here to explain each and everything in detail. So let's get started. So I have this stamping plate with me here. These are metal plates and it has some designs engraved in it. We will be using this leaf print design today. Along with the plate, you will also need a scraper and a nail stamper. This is a small jelly stamper that I have right now. You will also need a stamping polish. These are not a regular nail paints. These are highly pigmented and are exclusively made for stamping purpose. I will start by adding a stamping polish over half of my design. Then with the help of the scraper, I will quickly scrape off the excess polish and I will pick up the design onto my stamper like so. Also, you have to be quick in doing all these steps, otherwise you end up drying off the design on the stamping plate itself. Then position your design accordingly and just place it on the nail like so. Just see how crisp the design is. The margins are all good. So this is called as nail stamping technique, and now I'll also be showing you reverse nail stamping. For that I have chosen a different design with just an outline, and I am using a black stamping polish here. Repeat the same process of scraping and picking up your design onto your stamper. This is clear right now. I have chosen two designs for reverse stamping. Friends, if you haven't subscribed me till now, please do subscribe if you like my videos, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Now both my stampers are ready. I have completely let it air dried before filling in my design. Choose your favorite colors here and just fill in the outlines. You may use a dotting tool or a fine brush for this. After you are happy with your design, you have to let it completely dry. By the time you can add a top coat on your nail and let it dry halfway. Drying off your top coat halfway will make the nail sticky enough to hold the design. This will help your design to stick on your nail, like so. Press it slightly with your finger and you can remove the excess of the design with the help of toothpick and a brush dipped in acetone, like so. Now I will stamp the other design as well. Also add a top coat to your design, which will give a very nice finish. Guys, this looks easy, but trust me, this technique requires a lot of practice and patience. Also check the description box for the products used. So try it out guys, stamping is real fun, and if you are having any issues with stamping, just drop me a message in the comments below and I'll be much happy to help you out. I hope you like this video. See you again. Till then, bye bye.